So the big thing for us is to stop this arm coming over and to gain control of the arm so that we can throw again. So what we do is, and always I start with the lapel. Once they've caught hold here, this is where they get their leverage from in order to send this arm over the top. If the arm comes past a certain place, once it comes over the top here and lands, then you're in trouble. Okay? So the main job now is to stop this arm landing. As it comes over the top, okay, is to change your body position and to parry the arm off. Now if you notice as well, as the arm starts to come over from here, as I turn in, I use his momentum as well as my own movement in order to parry him off and to create space. Because the last thing I want him to do with this arm coming over the top is to land. I think also, if we think about it, and we see it a lot, don't we, in the UFC and mixed martial arts groups, they get to this stage here and there's a lot of situations where it goes down to ground from close-up situations from here. For me, I don't like 50-50 situations, and I don't like it that I'm in danger of him either taking me down, picking me up, or creating me havoc. Excuse me. So, we get it in a moving situation, and so you can have a look at the parry. Start up from here, partner comes out. Okay, we swing it out. We've got to think of positive things from it. So this time, as it comes over from here, carry it off, and attack. Now, again, he's parried up, and attack. So, parried up, and attack. Okay? So there's always something positive coming from it, and we are trying to be as positive as we possibly can from it. Now Tom, for example, has a really good throw that he does off the sleeve, and quite a lot of our judoka in Belgium at the moment are doing it. Yeah? Do you do it right or left? Which one? Okay, so what we're going to do is, for Tom, for example, Tom can go right or he can go left. And again, this is a good example of using the sleeve and the jacket as a tool, if you wish, in order to go as well as the momentum, all right, against me. So, for example, if I was somebody that was throwing this arm over the back here, all right, so what Tom actually does from here is catch the arm and uses my own momentum against me. Okay, so the actual force of this arm going over is virtually me throwing myself, but it needs his coordination and it needs his timing as well for the technique to do it. From a learning perspective, it needs me to be able to read it in order that he can feel the technique. Okay, so we'll do a couple. So again, my job is to come over the top. If he leaves it or he misses this one, obviously, once I land, it's not going to work. So the timing is absolutely imperative, and so that's where the practice element comes in. So from here, arm comes over, different position, one more. And every time that he did it, okay, slightly different position, same principles every time, yeah?